NewGenGamers.com.
Okay, are you in there? I am. I'll just start the demo back here. Hi, I'm just a guy. Okay. Whoa! Sorry, everybody. I thought that would disappear very quickly. Yeah, that was horrible. Everybody here gets a T-shirt for that. That was horrible. Wow. Hey, where's Andy? Can Andy turn down the volume on this? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sorry, everybody. Hold on. Maybe we're going to get close to that. Stand right here. I'm not going to make any noise. There we go. Okay. Up a little higher, Andy. Okay. How's that? Can you guys hear me in the back? That's reasonable? Okay. Oh, my God. T-shirts for you guys. Plus, you've been sitting here. You've earned it. Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much for coming. My name is Corey. We're here to show you Multiverse. How many of you have heard of Multiverse before? Nice. Oh, good. This is Rand getting killed. Oh, you know, you're killing somebody. Even better. So Multiverse is a technology platform that allows anybody to make a virtual world. All right, let's turn down the computer volume a little bit if we could. Killing me here. So Multiverse is composed, the team is composed of a bunch of early days Netscape guys, pre-IPO Netscape guys. The reason why that's important is we've been building technology platforms our whole career. Huge scalable technology platforms. We're now bringing that expertise to the virtual world industry. What you're taking a look at now is one of our teams, Max Gaming Technologies, has built a world called Dark Horizons. We have several of our customers here, some of our partners showing off their different worlds. I invite you after this presentation to talk to them, to ask them what it's like developing on Multiverse. What's good, what's bad, what works, why they're doing it. You get the rude truth, as opposed to me. I'm happy to tell you everything is fantastic, because it is. But you can hear from the developers as well and get the accurate story. So, Multiverse has several very unique elements to it, top of which is this notion of a world browser. Multiverse has built a world browser that is this single application that's installed on the consumer PC, and once it's installed, you use this world browser to access any world or play any game that's been built on the Multiverse technology, built on the Multiverse platform. So what this means is that a consumer is always just one click away from any world within this wider network of virtual worlds, the Multiverse network. Now there are huge ramifications to that. This means you can have standalone worlds, or you can have worlds that are interconnected with any level of features or functionality, share databases, share user information.
Oh, go ahead and go into Telos, if you would. Go into City of Sinners and Sinners.
Now we're using this one world browser to access all of these different worlds we're showing you right here. By the way, another very unique aspect to Multiverse is our business model. We believe that virtual worlds are a new medium, and as such would benefit from having everybody in the world putting their interesting ideas into this medium, developing this medium. So what we have done is create a business model that's very helpful for independent developers. We make our technology available at no upfront cost. You can download the technology platform, client, server, tools, sample worlds, full documentation from our website, multiverse.net. You can begin building your world, have it be as big as you want, have as many consumers in there as you want, never pay Multiverse a dime until you start charging consumers. And then we do a 10% revenue share. You retain 90% of the revenue and, of course, full intellectual property ownership. Now, this is a social world, built by a company in Canada called Telos. Obviously, very different style from the game we were just looking at. Very different user interface. Different everything, different gameplay. It's a very, very different proposition. The important takeaway here is that the worlds that you build on Multiverse can be radically different from one another. By the way, if you're a fully funded company and you don't want to do the revenue share idea, you can license us up front with a license fee. But as I say, we're especially interested in enabling the independent developers to get into this space, because when you get a lot of indies in the space creating new stuff, that's where true innovation comes from in a new medium like this. So we've talked about the world browser, we talked about the business model. Now these are goths, right? Where's Sean from Telos? Oh, well, he'd be able to tell us. There's different character classes in this. You can be a goth or a geek. It's fantastically interesting. So we've been around for about 4 years. We just released version 1.0 of the platform about a month ago. So you can download this today and start building. And that's basically it. What I really encourage you to do is to talk to the developers who are sitting at these kiosks here about why they've chosen Multiverse, what they're able to do, how quickly they're able to do it, and there you go. Thanks very much for your time.